Garlic in nail polish. Does it work? Adding garlic to your clear nail polish will strengthen dry, brittle nails, and also make them grow. It's said that Dominican women have the most beautiful, longest, and strongest nails you will ever see, and when asked, their answer is always garlic. Well, thank you Dominican ladies for letting us in on your amazing little secret, because garlic works wonders for your nails. Garlic in nail polish. Yes, it works. Garlic is a natural antiseptic and we've all used garlic once in a while to get rid of a cold. Garlic soup for cold and flu, because garlic gets rid of fungus and bacteria. Our hands and nails constantly come into contact with all kinds of dirt and grime on a daily basis, and even if you do wash your hands, the dirt and bacteria can still hide deep underneath the nails. All that dirt that gets trapped there can create fungus that's actually invisible, but this is what makes your nails so brittle. Therefore, garlic can help combat this fungus so your nails can finally be healthy, strong, and long. How to use garlic. Crush a garlic clove with the back of a knife and mince. Add the crushed garlic to a bottle of clear nail polish, base coat or top coat. Let the garlic set for 7–10 days in a dry, dark place. Shake every once in a while. After 7–10 days have elapsed, you may go ahead and use your polish as often as you like. The more often you use it, the faster your nails will start repairing themselves. Use as a base coat, a top coat, or both.